How to fix Strava incorrect distance. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Strava incorrect distance. Now, if you have just exercised and Strava is showing incorrect distance, then it might be because you have not allowed precise location access. As you can see here, it says to record activities on Strava, you will need to allow precise location access. This lets them calculate important stats like your pace, distance, and more. So in the application itself, you want to tap on the allow option, then tap on the while using this app option over here to allow location option on Strava. You can also open up your settings, tap on the apps option, then from this list of applications, scroll down and find the option of Strava. Then tap on that. Now tap on the permissions option. From here as well, you can check if precise location is allowed. If not, tap on location and tap on the allow option. Along with this, you also want to tap on the body sensors option and tap on the allow option in this way. If you want, you can allow all of these permissions as well. Now head back, scroll down and tap on storage, then tap on the clear cache option. Once that is done, open the Strava app and this problem should be resolved. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.